Alright, picking up where we left off, we have a game that we can play. It's got some coins that we can collect. We have a coin counter, but the counter is not going up just yet. But we can grab the coins. So what we're going to do in this video is we are going to make it where our counter goes up whenever we collect the coins. So it's not going to stay at 0. It's going to go up whenever this guy grabs the coins. Alright, so let's go to our coin scene. If yours is not already open, you can go to your scenes folder and open up coin. Or if you go to the coin holder, you can click on this button and it will take you to the coin here. Alright, so in this we have this world and we want our character to collect these coins and we want the coin counter to go up. If we go from this world to another world, we want the coin counter to still have the same amount of coins. So we need to make a global variable. Godot calls this a singleton. I call it a global variable. I'm going to show you how to make these global variables. So what you're going to do, first off, is you're going to click on world and you're going to add a script to this world. I'm going to put this script into my scripts folder and I'm going to call this world underscore global variables, like that. And I'm going to hit open and create. So here is the scripts. Here's the script for all my global variables. I'll go ahead and label this, and I'm going to say global. Actually, you know what? This is my Eversole, and so Eversole global variables, like that. And in the global variables, you can have all types of things. Like maybe you're going to pick up some ammo, or points, or health, or life. This time, we're working with our coins. So I'm going to say var coins is equal to 0. We're starting out with 0 coins. Now, this is going to be my global variable script. So all my global variables, I'm going to store them here. So this is just like a normal script because we haven't done anything extra or new to it. So we need to do that extra thing that adds it to the global air quotes category. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into the top and you're going to hit project, project settings, and then you're going to go to auto load. Auto load is the part that actually tells it which scripts are global variable scripts. Now, mine already has a couple for my 7th and 8th period. They've already got this part done. So this is my Eversole video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this folder and I'm going to find the script for my global variables. And we just created that. So we're going to go here. I'm going to go to my Eversole folder and it's in my scripts. And there it is, world global variables. Now, I don't want to type this entire part every single time, so I'm going to type all caps main underscore var. And I'm going to do underscore E because this is my Eversole video, and so I know it's different from my 7th or 8th period class. If you want to do the same, you can do underscore E, or you could just do main var if you want. You just got to remember that when you type it in, you have to type it the exact same way as you put it here. So if I hit add, now I have my main var for my Eversole video, which is that underscore E, and I'm going to hit close. Now that made all the stuff that gets put on this script a part of a global script that everything can get access to. Good. So we haven't done much with it. All we did, we said coins is equal to 0. So let's hop over here to our coins. And this is our label that we created earlier. we're going to want to add a script to these coins. So I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to go to this folder. And now I need to go to my scripts folder, and I'm going to put it in here, but we're probably going to have more labels, so I'm going to hit Create. I'm making a folder for my labels. I'm going to hit OK, and this is my coin underscore label. So if we check and see where did I put it in Eversole, scripts, labels, coin label. And just like I said at the top up here, I'm going to label this Eversole. This is my online one, Eversole, and this is going to be coin label. So there we go. Here is the script that controls the words that are on that label. So to start out with, we want to edit the text that is in that label. So if you click on the label here, and if you wanted to change the text, if you put your mouse over that, it says text. So basically you just have to type text to change what this text is. Let's go ahead and try that out. So if I come over here and I say text is equal to hamburger, and I play the game, you're going to see that it changed what that text is right there. Now it says hamburger up there instead of coin 000. So we don't want to put the word hamburger in there. We want to put coin. And then we want to add in our coins, how many we have. So we're going to do main var e. Those are our global variable. It's equal to main var e dot coins. So it's going to take it's going to take this string coin, and it's going to add it to how many coins have we collected. Now if I ran this right now, this is a number and this is a string, and the computer, when it reads that, it says string plus number, and it's going to give me an error. So if I tried to run that, it's going to say error, you can't add a number in a string. So what I want to do is I want to take this number and I want to convert it into a word as well. So I'm going to say str for string. So now it takes this word and adds in this word as well. It took the number and turned it into a word. So if I run this again, you'll see that it says I have 0 coins. Well, that's good, but if we touch the coins, we're not getting any more coins. So we want to make it where we get some more coins whenever we grab them. So let's go to our coin scene. So this is our coin. When we touch the coin, it says print out body entered, tell me who entered it, and delete the coin. You can see where that was happening right there when I was picking up the coins. But now we also want to add to the number of coins that we got. So I'm going to say main var e dot coins plus equals 1. So that says add 2 coins var. So this takes whichever coin you grabbed, it's going to take whatever's in whatever that number was, and it's going to add 1 to it. And then it's going to delete the coin. I'll write that there too. Like that. So this one's going to add to the coin, or this is going to add to the main variable, the big variable that we made that goes to everything, and this one's going to delete that coin. And I can even make this note. Did we touch the coin? Okay. So now if we play our game again, let's see what happens. Oops, wrong scene. Play. Well, something's happening. It's not updating the text. Let's figure out why. If we look at this script, this is where this is our coin label. We're here, and this says update the text. But what function did we put it in? We put it in the ready function. When does the ready function play? It only plays once. When the object is first created. So this is only playing one time when the object is first created. When that label is first created, that's when this plays. Well, that's a problem. We need it to play every single time we get a coin. Now, this function here is the function process delta. This plays once every frame of the game. So, this is kind of a really bad way to update, but it will make it work. So I'm going to prove it to you. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to add it here. So this one says every single frame I want you to update, or no, this one says when it's first created I want you to update this text one time. But this one says every single second I want you to keep on updating the text. So it's just updating it over and over and over. So now we're sitting here, coin's still at 0. As soon as I touch this, you're going to see it goes up because it's updating over and over and over. So now every time I touch a coin, it's going to update, and I'm going to be able to collect these coins, and the counter is going to go up. Now, basically this counter is kind of slowing us down every second. So you could make it where it only updates when we touch the coin, which would be a much better way to actually do it. But we'll do that later on when we learn how to do some stuff better. But for right now, we are doing pretty good. That's it for this video. You guys have a great day.